Welcome back to CarWow 787, the one-stop destination for everything related to tractors. From honest reviews to detailed specs and real-world advice, we bring you the latest and most accurate information. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of farming machines. Let's dive straight into today's topic, the all-new Mahindra B-275 2026 tractor. The name Mahindra B-275 is already a trusted one among Indian farmers. It's a tractor that has made its place in the hearts of millions. Now with the updated 2026 version, Mahindra has once again proved its strength in the tractor segment. In this video, we'll talk about its engine, gearbox, design, features, fuel efficiency, hydraulic capacity, and pricing so you can decide whether this tractor fits your needs or not. The Mahindra B-275 2026 comes with a 39 HP engine and is powered by a 4-cylinder setup. The engine displacement is 2048 cc and it operates at 2100 RPM. In this segment, it stands out as one of the most reliable and fuel-efficient tractors. Mahindra has used its trusted ELS extra long stroke technology in the engine, which delivers more power with less vibration and better performance. This means even after long hours in the field, the engine doesn't overheat and the driver remains comfortable and less fatigued. When it comes to transmission, the tractor offers a partial constant mesh gearbox, equipped with 8 forward and 2 reverse gears. Gear shifting is smooth, and Mahindra has improved clutch quality in this model. A dual clutch option is also available, which allows for better control and higher productivity, especially during multitasking like tilling and PTO work. Speaking of hydraulics, the B-275 2026 provides a lifting capacity of 1,500 kilograms, making it compatible with a wide variety of implements such as cultivators, plows, rotavators, and threshers. The hydraulic system is responsive and comes with advanced ADDC automatic depth and draft control, which automatically adjusts the depth of implements based on soil conditions. This feature proves especially useful during deep plowing and leveling. The front axle is robust and the ground clearance is around 320 millimeters, allowing the tractor to perform well on all types of terrain, be it muddy fields, rocky surfaces, or uneven rural roads. The wheelbase is 1,880 millimeters and the turning radius is only about 3.2 meters, which makes it easy to handle even in narrow fields or orchards. Now let's talk about design and operator comfort. Mahindra has added new and stylish graphics to the B-275 2026, giving it a modern and refreshed appearance. The bonnet has a slightly aerodynamic design, which not only looks better, but also helps with cooling. The instrument cluster is upgraded and clearly shows important indicators like RPM, fuel level, engine temperature, and oil pressure. The standard model comes with mechanical steering, but power steering is available in some variants to reduce fatigue during long hours of work. The driver's seat is fully adjustable and built with better cushioning. The suspension under the seat has been improved for enhanced comfort. Mahindra has also worked on reducing vibrations and cabin noise, making the overall driving experience more pleasant. The levers and steering are easy to operate, even with light hand pressure, which shows how user-friendly this model is. Fuel tank capacity is 49 liters, which is sufficient for a full day of continuous farm work. When it comes to mileage, the company claims that the B-275 consumes around 3.5 to 4.5 liters of diesel per hour, depending on the load and conditions. This is quite efficient and puts it ahead of several other models in this horsepower category. The braking system uses oil-immersed multi-disc brakes, which offer excellent grip and safe braking even on difficult terrains or at high speed. The front tires are 6 by 16 inches, while the rear tires come in either 12.4 by 28 or 13.6 by 28 options, both providing solid grip and stability for different types of land. The tractor delivers around 33.5 PTO horsepower and supports a PTO speed of 540 RPM. This makes it compatible with all standard PTO-driven equipment such as reapers, water pumps, sprayers, and threshers. Optional features include canopy, bumper, tow hook, and a complete toolkit to suit individual needs. When it comes to servicing and maintenance, Mahindra scores high. Their service network is widespread across India, reaching even the smallest villages. Spare parts are easily available, and maintenance costs are low. The company also offers up to 6 years of warranty, which gives farmers added peace of mind. Now coming to the price. The ex-showroom price of Mahindra B-275 2026 ranges from 6 lakh to 6.50 lakh, depending on location and variant. The on-road price may go up to around 7 lakh, which includes insurance and RTO charges. Financing options are also widely available through banks and Mahindra's own finance partners. You can also purchase it using Kisan credit cards or other government schemes if applicable. If you're a farmer looking for a mid-range tractor that's reliable, powerful, and suitable for a wide range of farming tasks, then the Mahindra B-275 2026 should definitely be on your list. Not only does it perform well in the field, but it's also cost-effective in the long run due to its fuel efficiency, low maintenance, and strong resale value. We believe this tractor is an ideal choice for farmers involved in medium to heavy-duty agricultural operations. It can handle most implements, gives you great mileage, and comes with trusted after-sales service. Mahindra has delivered a well-balanced tractor that ticks all the boxes, from power and performance to comfort and efficiency. So, what do you think about the Mahindra B-275 2026? Would you consider buying it, or are you already using it? Let us know in the comments below. Your real-world feedback helps other farmers make better decisions. And if you'd like us to review any specific tractor or compare models, feel free to leave your suggestions. We'd love to cover them in our upcoming videos.